Topic for today: 16-year-olds and older. You teenage moms that are getting pregnant in high school and ain't taking care of your baby. That's my topic. Now, before I start out, I want to take the time to shout out the good moms who got pregnant in high school and handled their business, like Regina, Samantha, Chantel, Deanna, Delilah, Edith, Frances Carter, Natalie, and Vanessa. And if I am forgetting anybody else, my apologies. But before you go and say shit for me not shouting you out, that's just you being a guilty conscience, okay? So just leave it at that, ladies. If you know you're doing your thing, I ain't talking about you. I'm talking about the ones that get pregnant in high school, and when they have their baby, they drop out of school or they dump their baby with their moms, 24/7 so they could go out and party and shit, acting like they're still 16. Bitch, you're not 16 anymore. If you are 16, that's just your age. You need to act older for your child. Your child needs a mother, not a teenager that's gonna be out partying and smoking weed and chasing after niggas that don't want you, changing your update status every 5 minutes to a different dude. And each dude you're changing it to don't got no job, don't got no money to support you, out there doing the same shit as every other nigga, cheating on you and fucking bitches and smoking weed and rocking Jordans that his mama paid for. You know what I mean? That type of shit right there makes me sick. I see moms, 16-year-old moms, every other day. I have to delete these hoes from my Facebook because they're out there putting statuses talking about, I'm just gonna be real and I don't give a fuck. I'm just gonna go and tell my mom that I smoke weed, bitch. Statuses like that and shit like that. And they don't say shit about their kids, but they're at the club every fucking weekend and they're fucking partying, have pictures on their Facebook of them drinking and shit, but you don't see no updates about their kids. You don't hear them talking about their kids. You don't see, they're rocking their kids like a fucking handbag. They got their kids at the mall and shit. Yeah, buying shit for themselves, not buying. You don't see no fucking Carter bag or no Babies R Us bag. No, they're walking around with fucking Coach bags and Abercrombie and Fitch. Abercrombie and Fitch don't got no baby clothes last time I checked. So what the fuck is you really doing? You just have your kid in there showing off. Oh yeah, I'm a teenage mother. Yeah, that's so cute. Woo woo woo. Bitch, sit the fuck down for a minute and take care of your kid. Your mom's out there buying Pampers and buying the formula and all type of shit like that, and you're sitting here asking your mom for some money to go buy a sack of weed, go get a blunt, go get you some new shoes, go get you this and go get you that, and your baby's over there being with your mama didn't have that baby, bitch. You had that baby. Okay? With that being said, I'm also going to talk about the ones that are constantly talking shit about their baby daddy, knowing they ain't take a second to look at themselves. Okay? You had sex with that man and you assumed that he was going to step up and be the dad and take care of his business, and when he didn't, you got mad. Okay? First of all, you need to sit down before you think about having a baby with someone. Sit down and make sure that that man is going to step up and be a father. And if he ain't, fuck him. Let him go. Why are you sitting there chasing after someone that ain't even doing what he has to for your child and for you? You got to step up to the plate and you got to be the mama. You got to go get a job. You got to finish school. You got to take care of that child. That's your child. Okay? If the daddy ain't doing what he got to do, oh well, boo hoo, fuck him. Take care of your kids. Fuck the baby daddy. Fuck all these other niggas out there that you're chasing that ain't worth shit either. They don't got a job. They ain't trying to be your baby daddy. They are not trying to support you or take care of you. And you're steady out there chasing someone like they're going to take care of you. No, bitch. Get out there and do what you got to do. Take a minute to work on you and your life for your baby. And you know what? If I hurt anybody's feelings about this video, too bad. Okay, mamas, I need y'all to comment, subscribe, talk shit if you want to. If I left anything out that you want to address, go ahead and comment.